How does the GSE 16-amp controller works? The 16-amp device is a climate controller, with the ability to measure, and integrate simultaneously, air temperature, humidity, water temperature, to control an intake fan, exhaust fan, and 2 switched channels. All measurements and set points can be saved on a USB memory stick, and evaluated with GSE Growth Analyzer, free of charge software. The controller is operated with 4 menu keys. Press the up and down arrow keys to select. Press Enter to go one level deeper into a submenu, or press Save Exit to go one level back. The purpose of the main screen is only to display measurements, fan speed, and alarms. Press Enter. Here are all of the options you can set in the 16A controller. Knowing that the selected text is flashing, select Set Fan Speed and press Enter. In this submenu you set the desired fan speed of both fan outputs. Select Set Temperature and press Enter. When you press Enter again, the selected value starts flashing. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the value. And pressing Save Exit will take you back. Scroll down Set Temperature. The hysteresis refers to the value between the lowest and the highest value of the controlling range. For example, we set the hysteresis to 2 degrees Celsius, and the day temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. The fan will start at 25 degrees and reach maximum speed at 27. In these 2 degrees Celsius, the fan speed will change linearly, according to the temperature difference. Like set temperature, set humidity has changeable values. Repeat the same procedure. In submenu Set Fan Settings, scroll down, select Fan Settings and press Enter. The minimum speed setting limits the exhaust fan. When you press Enter, the value starts flashing. Pressing the down button will change the fan speed from 20% to 0%. The exhaust fan will stop working when the measured temperature, or humidity, are below their set values. The minimum speed setting have a 20% infinitely start-up peak, to give enough power to the fan to run on low speed. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the value, up to 100% speed. Set the desired value and press Save Exit. Press down. The maximum speed setting limits the exhaust fan. It reduces the maximum allowed speed during the regulation, to avoid the fan making too much noise at high rotation. When you press Enter, the value starts flashing. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the value, and pressing Save Exit will take you back. Set the desired value and press Save Exit. Press down. The negative pressure reduces the fan speed of the intake fan. Both fans work synchronous. For example, we set the negative pressure to -20%. When the exhaust fan operates at full load 100%, the intake fan stays at 80%. If the exhaust fan runs at 50%, then the intake fan runs at 40%, -20% of its power. The exhaust fan removes more air from the room than the intake fan blows inside, and you obtain a guaranteed negative pressure during the regulation. Next, adjusting the switched outputs. In the main menu select Set Exit 1, and press Enter. Submenu Choose Function is selected, press Enter. Change the values or confirm the new function by pressing Save Exit. Select the function disabled, to turn off the output. Select the function Output Sensor 1 Heat, and press Enter. This function measures the air temperature, and controls a heater. When you press Enter again, the selected value starts flashing. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the value, and pressing Save Exit will take you back. Scroll down Output Sensor 1 Heat. The hysteresis determines the quiescent condition of the contact. If the hysteresis is set to -2 degrees Celsius, and the day temperature is set to 24 degrees Celsius, then the heater will switch on at 22 degrees, and switch off when it rises to 24 degrees. This contact will remain off until the value drops below 22 degrees Celsius. Select the function Output Sensor 1 Cool, and press Enter. This function works the same way as Output Sensor 1 Heat, with the only difference that the hysteresis is reversed during the cooling. If the hysteresis is set to +2 degrees Celsius, and the day temperature is set to 24 degrees Celsius, then the cooler will switch on at 26 degrees, and switch off when it drops to 24 degrees. This contact will remain off until the value rises above 26 degrees Celsius. Together with Output Sensor 1 Dehumidify. The function Output Sensor 1 Humidify has the same set procedure as before. When connecting a humidifier, choose the relative humidity at day and at night time, and set the desired hysteresis. The functions Output Sensor 2 Heat and Output Sensor 2 Cool are set the same way as previously explained. Select the function Output 1 Timer, and press Enter. The timer allows you to insert the start and end time in 24-day cycles. Press Enter. The first 5 characters represent the on time, in hours and minutes, from 0 o'clock to 23:59. The next 8 characters stand for off time, in hours, minutes, and seconds, from 0 o'clock to 23:59 and 59 seconds, in 24-hour format. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the value, and pressing Save Exit will save the first programming step. Press down to select Exit 1 Timer 2, which is the second programming step. There are 25 programmable cycles per output. To delete one, set its time back to 0 o'clock on time, 0 o'clock off time. If you have already chosen a function, you can edit it in submenu Set Value. The next thing to do is to describe submenu Set Exit 2. But it looks identical to Set Exit 1. In the main menu select General Settings and press Enter. Select submenu Set Time and press Enter. In this submenu you can set date and time. Each time you press Enter, different characters will start flashing. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the value. The date format is day, month, year. The time sequence is hours, minutes. Press Save Exit. Select submenu Language and press Enter. Press the up-down buttons to select your language. Press Save Exit. Select submenu Photo Sensor and press Enter. According to the day-night cycle, the controller selects the appropriate settings, which are previously set by you. The light sensor settings control the way day and night alternate. The first row shows the current measurement of the light sensor. Press Enter to set the level of alternation. If the value is set to 30% light, then the controller will switch settings when the light is below 30%. Scroll down. Select Switch Time, and press Enter. The switching time is a time delay which starts a countdown after reaching the light sensor level. This function is used to prevent an immediate alternation, if you momentarily failed to shield the device from light, like from the brief opening of a door. Set the desired value and press Save Exit. Select submenu Set Display and press Enter. This setting is used to change the state of the LCD black light. Set the desired state and press Save Exit. Select submenu Set Alarm and press Enter. Here you can set the maximal and minimal alarm values of the sensors. Select a sensor and press Enter. Select a value and press Enter. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the value. Press Save Exit. Repeat this procedure for all the other alarm values. In case of an over, or under, cut of the set value, the alarm LED will turn on. You can read the alarm in the main screen and confirm it with Save Exit. Should the measured value still exceed the set alarm value, then the alarm will get immediately activated again. In submenu General Settings, select Set Log File and press Enter. In submenu Rating, you can choose the repetition rate, for example 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, the controller will save all data to your USB memory stick. Set the desired value and press Save Exit. Select submenu Reset to Factory Settings and press Enter. Pressing the up-down buttons will change the answer, and pressing Enter will confirm. The controller will reset all data, except time and date settings, back to the original factory settings.